Hello, the sound on this is going to be awful, I think, because it's quite a breezy day. But this is my February plot tour. It has been lovely and sunny, but it's not so much anymore. But there is some mist. This last month has not been a happy month for my shed or the chickens, because we've had a colony of rats moving underneath. But having got the pest control man in, and they've changed the way that they feed their chickens, they seem to have all gone now, so hopefully life can go back to normal around here. I have some spring cabbages on their way. I've eaten just about all the Romanesco that is available there. I'm waiting for the purple sprouting broccoli to appear. Otherwise it's all a bit bare and grim really. We have onions still doing very well, and garlic over there still doing very well as well. I'm keeping this Russian kale because I don't much like it, but it's very pretty, and I expect it to flower in the spring and give some pollinators some early food. That bed there is going to have lots of carrots and onions in it come the spring. We've had the most magnificent Romanesco from this bed. I've got a couple more coming, and I've pinned the leaves over them just to protect them a bit from the next bout of bad weather, which is due to arrive tomorrow. We are still eating sprouts, and so are the neighbours, and so are our friends. The rhubarb is coming through, which is lovely. In a couple of weeks I might be able to pick that for some early spring rhubarb. Nice with some yoghurt, I think. The pond had a bit of a clear out, so that's doing okay. And along here, this is just a bed that will need sorting out and clearing. I can't quite decide what to put in there at the moment. I think it might be potatoes actually, because it is quite close to the compost bin for mulching up. Here we continue to have the broad beans growing, although I see one is struggling, but these are doing very well, and we still have some leeks left. I think this is going to be my main area now. I changed my plans on a week-to-week basis, but this is going to be my main area for potatoes. So that bit there will be main crop potatoes, and that bit there will be my first earlies. I'm collecting rainwater. I'm collecting a lot more than I was during January. I brought some lilies down from the back garden just to cheer things up down here, but I can't say that there's a lot to be looking at really. It's just my allotment plot in the middle of winter. But next month there'll be a lot of work going on, because I'll tidy up around my shed and relay some wood chips and plant me seed potatoes, start clearing beds ready for planting in for other crops, and clearing other crops that have gone over. So I think next month will be a lot more busy than it's been this month. So I will see you then.